Healthcare Products Made from Plants by Jessica Hoene. Ancient Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine is one of the world's oldest medical systems. New developing cities have taken away from land to grow these medical plants, which is not good for the whole world. Ginseng is a plant that can be used to help prevent high blood pressure. Ephedra can be used to prevent asthma and hay fever. And the wolfberry, also known as the goji berry, is known to be a treasure of the Chinese nation. Home remedies. Tea forms that can be used for home remedies are the chamomile tea is used for calming. Ginger tea helps fight inflammation. Sage tea can prevent plaque buildup, which leads to Alzheimer's disease. Passion flower tea can help reduce anxiety and can be used as a sleep aid as well. Other forms of using plants as home remedies. Cilantro can be used as a digestive aid. Lemon balm can help soothe an upset stomach. Rosemary can be used as an alternate for caffeine, which we all need. And lavender can be used in several forms. When you use lavender oil, you can add it to your bath and it'll help reduce your stress levels. Here are just some pictures of what the teas may look like and what some of the other plants look like in their natural state. Plants can also be used to produce products to prevent diabetes. With the growth of diabetes in the world, we need to figure out new ways to prevent this from happening. The best medications to use to prevent diabetes or to help control your diabetes come from plants because they are an all-natural source, which leads to less side effects from taking the drug. The aloe leaf can be used to decrease a patient's glucose level or total cholesterol level. The Genema bark has shown in different studies that it can increase the liver glycogen and insulin levels, and it also decreases blood glucose levels. Stevia leaves have also shown to reduce the blood glucose levels, but as they do this, they do it without producing hyperglycemia. Medical cannabis. Some laws have been made specifically for certain types of plants and the species of that plant. Such laws have been made for medical cannabis. This is a huge topic in today's politics, especially in the United States. 29 states, as of 2014, had laws that legalized marijuana for at least medical uses. Some medical uses it can be used for would be pain relief, nausea and loss of appetite, Parkinson's disease, inflammatory bowel disease, post-traumatic stress disorder, and multiple sclerosis. The United States is still dealing with issues on whether to make marijuana completely legal in all of the states, mainly because the drug is classified as a drug that is highly addictive, so they're leaving this for states to deal with statewide. Laws for plant production and healthcare fields. There have been several laws made for plant production, especially in healthcare fields because humans are digesting it. They've also had to make many laws on what plants you can use and what species of the plants you can use. There are many steps that researchers and developers have to go through to make sure that the plants they are using are completely safe for healthcare products. The World Health Organization has produced a series of medical books that have lists of all the plants and what they can be used for in healthcare products. The first step for producing a medical drug from plants is to make sure that it has the correct species, that you're using the correct species of the plant. Plants also have many different species that look very similar, so you have to be 100% sure that you're using the right plant. The most common way for testing and making sure that you're using the correct plant is through a DNA test. You can do this from getting the DNA from the root, leaf, or flowers of the plant. That is all I've got for you today. Here are a list of all my references I've used to make this PowerPoint, and I hope that you have learned something from it. I hope you have a good end of the semester and enjoy your summer.